A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, yesterday I have started this chapter number 10, that is subject and verb agreement, where we have discussed its 10 rules. Now today I am here to proceed this chapter with the further rules which are given here. So just look it, okay. Let's talk about this 11th rule, students. The following nouns that take a singular verb. Here are some nouns mentioned which takes always singular verb, like advice. Advice is a noun. Economics, ethics, electronics, dynamics, gallows, hair, physics, news, statistics, summons, wages, luggage, bread, scenery, etc. They are some nouns that usually take a singular verb. Example, economics is a very useful subject. You can't say कि economics S is written, ma'am, it could take a plural. No, it is a singular which will be considered as a singular, so it will carry a singular subject. Now, 12th point is a collective noun takes a singular verb when the class it names is considered as a unit. Always remember that collective nouns are what, which are a group of collection or which tells us a group of something. Okay, so they are being taking a singular verb when they are being considered as a unit. They are being considered or they are being working in a unit, in a one form. Okay, like the jury is unanimous in verdict. Jury is what? Jury is the collection or a group of judges. Okay, तो jury is a collection. They gives the verdict. जो भी उनका decision है, that is single. सबका decision लेकर के तब एक single decision. तो therefore it is considered here, jury is considered as a unit. Verdict उनका जो भी है decision is a single decision. तो therefore with jury it comes singular verb. Okay. But the following nouns are plural and have no singular form. There are some following nouns which are plural. They do not have any singular form, like breeches, pants, shirts, socks, trousers, mumps, measles, billiards, draught, scissors, okay, etc. So my scissors are sharp. Here scissors is what? Is a plural noun. It do not have any singular form. You can't say Caesar. You have to say scissors. Okay. So scissors is a noun which is already in a plural form. So these nouns they always carry a plural verb. My scissors are sharp. Here are is used which is a plural verb. Now, when a plural noun denotes a quality or quantity considered as a whole, whenever you are taking a plural noun which is denoting or which is determining a quantity of something or a quality of something as a whole, considering again as a whole as a unit, then that in that case the singular verb comes, like 5,000 rupees is a big amount. Here 5,000 rupees are बहुत सारे, many, plural in number, but they denotes a quantity because they are in a quantity form, and they denotes a whole. एक बार में 5,000 rupees is a big amount, therefore you are using singular verb with it. Okay, last point is one of should be followed by a plural number but singular verb. Whenever a sentence is starting with one of, it should always be followed by a plural number of noun, but it follows a singular verb. Like one of my friends is a doctor means सारे दोस्तों में one of my friend is a doctor. तो friends यहाँ पर बहुत सारे plural noun हो गया, but since one of से starting है students, therefore you will take a singular verb here which is mentioned as is. Hope so the video is clear to you. Try to look after your book as well, solve the exercise of it, then I will send you. Thank you students, to watch the video carefully.